Today we're looking at ME2 acrylic-based standing seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Common problems can be windblown rain or storm damage. Let's look at a better way. Always thoroughly clean the surface. Using a caulk gun, apply a bead of APOC 264 Flash and Seal to the seam. Now your APOC ME2 acrylic-based standing seam repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.